Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are one of those people who find it difficult to draw a face or sketch, be sure to watch this video until the end, because in this video I want to show you how to improve your drawing skills, and I will introduce two practical applications. For the first application, just search Painting Grid Maker and download one of these applications. For example, this one. You can choose a picture from your gallery. For example, I choose this picture. You can adjust the row and column on the top of the screen. As a beginner, try to create the smallest squares because it will be easier to draw with the smaller squares. And little by little, after you have practiced with the small squares for a while, try to make these squares bigger. If you choose 16 rows and 8 columns, or 10 rows and 5 columns, or whatever, draw exactly the same in the paper and try to draw the lines according to these squares in the right place. I highly recommend this method for drawing, especially for hyperrealism. The next application is called AR Drawing. Just search AR Drawing and download one of these applications. For example, I download this one. Working with this application is very simple. Here, there are some categories that you can choose, or even you can choose a picture from your gallery. Here, I choose the cartoon category and I choose the first picture. Now, place your mobile camera in front of the paper and then try to draw lines while looking at the phone screen. Here I try to draw the lines while I'm looking at my phone screen. If you download the app and use it, you will exactly understand what I mean. Also keep in mind that progressing in drawing and being able to draw face is not something that can be done in 1 or 2 days, and it requires a lot of effort and continuous practice. If you become disappointed after a while or think, is drawing related to talent or no, or how long does it take to become a professional, you can find the answer to these questions in the video that the link is shown at the top of the screen. Well, let's go to one of the most important exercises that every beginner should do at least 5 minutes per day. Draw the lines very smoothly from right to left. Just remember that both sides of the lines should be thinner than the center of the line. And if these two sides are not thin, it means you drew the line wrong. Even if one side of the line is thin and the other side is not, it is still wrong. After finishing this exercise, try to draw the line in the opposite direction. I mean, draw the line from the left to the right. And then draw the lines from top to bottom and from bottom to top using the same strategy. Move your hand very slowly and softly on the paper, and don't be afraid of lines getting messed up. If they do, practice again and again and again. Just remember the two sides of the line should be thinner than the center of the line. Draw the line from top to bottom and then do it in the opposite direction, from bottom to top. It might seem like a simple and boring exercise to you, but trust me, it can really help you with drawing, especially when you want to draw hair, eyelashes, and eyebrows. Draw the curved lines using the same strategy as before, from left to right and from right to left. And now it's time for the S-shaped lines. We draw the S-shaped lines with the same strategy as before. Almost all beginners have trouble drawing eyelashes and eyebrows and hair, and drawing eyelashes and eyebrow is very hard and difficult for them. And one reason for that is that they can't draw lines correctly. So it's very important to be able to draw lines very good. The next exercise is to draw geometric shapes. You don't need to choose very difficult and complicated shapes. Just draw the simple shapes as best as you can. These types of exercises will help you draw eyelashes, hair, and eyebrows better, and can also be useful for drawing fur, especially when drawing animals. Sometimes I use this method that I'm drawing right now when I want to draw eyebrows. If you like to know how to draw eyebrow with these lines, then click the link that is shown at the top of the screen. I think I record two videos for that. One of them is for beginners and the other is for hyper-realism, I think. The last exercise that I want to introduce to you is another important exercise in drawing, and especially in hyperrealism. In this exercise, you should try to draw various shades from the darkest to the lightest, or from lightest to the darkest, no matter. I hope this video has been helpful to you, and I hope that I have been able to help you. Just remember that the drawing skill comes with repeated practice. So keep practicing and don't give up. If you're interested in drawing tutorials or hyperrealism tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it.